well, from my perspective, I'm an artist, right? And as I said, this is beautiful art, and it should be promoted, whatever the promoted. I hate this word. It should be, taken to the people, right? Cherished, no matter the cost, yeah, or it's objectively wonderful, yeah. So that's very important. So I'm honored that I could get in touch with these songs and with this heritage, because it's really valuable. It's really lovely. No, lovely. It's also not the good word here. It's very valuable and precious. Yeah. Mm-hmm.